that's just too real. Can't you tell I'm keeping it real while doing it well? It's a demonstration of lyrical skill. Flow so ill, please take out the pill. Stacking the bill, still making a meal while making a kill with the pen that I will. Feel like my purpose is getting fulfilled. Coming up fast, I'm not gonna yield. You wanna destroy, I'm just gonna build. Now what is the deal? Now how do you feel? I need a fortune, now where's your will? When you approach, make sure that you kneel. I'm your highness, feeling the nicest, shining the brightest. You don't interest me in the slightest, I'm going hard. You should probably try this, I would advise them. Serving these raps inside the slices. I know that you like this. You get a wide, it's hard to hide it. So all deny this, yeah, this gas. Now let's light this, now I'm on fire, just like nitrous. Everyone take all your cellular devices and take your pictures. It'll last longer than staring at all. I'm daring them all, I'm scaring them all. I'm wearing to go, they wearing to fall. Step up a game and give me a call to tell the truth. I'll have any flaws. And if you're a beast, I'm breaking your claws. And not killing raps is breaking the law. My flow is out of this world, so you can call me a Martian. I be spending so much flames and I went to jail for arson. My flow is like malaria, that is out of the question. My swag is out of the century, so they call me a Jetson. Careful, rap sessions, deadly as lethal injections. My flow has other rappers speechless, but we're not even testing. I got so much swag that they call me an update blessing. I killed so many rappers on the track that I got arrested. If you look in the mirror, I bet you see me. Cause I know inside that I'm the guy you wanna be. Rappers be trying to copy me, aiming around my identity. But I'm sick of big rappers like I'm a guard in a penitentiary. I flow so crazy, feels like the Joker is in my family. I better call my psychiatrist, cause I'm just spitting straight insanity.
Look. Hey yo, I'm tired of these rappers claiming they right behind triggers, claiming they killing my girl and making 6 figures. Look, now let this be a little lesson learned. I take your mama and your grandma ashes in that urn, hit them all weekly so my fashion stay updated. I make music for a living, what's your occupation? This rap stuff is too easy, no need for concentration. Mixtape on the way, I apologize for keeping y'all waiting. Look, and middle finger to whoever hating. I get it poppin', you ain't hear me though. And I'm the coldest little dude, hell the freezing though. Look, I'm still rapping for the coldest town. 651 in the spot, so what up now? And no man should have all this swagger. Yo girl cool, but my chick way badder. Look, my ex won't stop texting me. Not for the last time, shawty stop sweating me. Sorry to say this, you won't be the one I'm missing. Looking desperate on the blogs like you begging for attention. These critics dogging me out, but I ain't never worried. I'm coming back from the park with Mirror and Mary. I'm online just playing me some Madden. Young James Bond, the way I'm whipping that ass. Then rappers wanna know how I go from hooping to rapping. I tell them it's a skill, little buster, so stop asking. I told my mama don't worry about that paper though. I'm coming up on this cash and you ain't even know. Now look, who that? John to the Blake cousins in my Mr. Flip a mile away when I roll up. Yeah, AJ Brown, I told you. Now tell these rappers hanging on up like a poster. Girls on my side like I got gun holsters. I just changed my name to Mr. Took this cipher over. Smoking on the acre, Blaze don't do favors. And rappers knackers got more flavor than annihilators. What it is, pimp?
You say crap to the screen. Step up, but you're leaving the scene. Move over, you're distracting on the cipher and I'm rapping. Who got haters on their back? Free promotion is a fact. Whatever, you're none of my concern. Turn around, I'm making a return. Go ahead, it's your turn. My bad. This court meeting is adjourned.